This biker was mistaken for a rider who had fled from police, and his camera was the only thing that saved him from going to jail.
For what though?
Leave it to me to get pulled over, I swear.
What's up?
Do you have any weapons on you?
No, I'm unarmed.
Right, hand me your keys.
Hand me my keys. Okay. I'm not gonna take off on you. Sir, you got a chopper on me?
Where are you coming from right now?
I'm just taking a lap.
Which direction did you go? Did you come south on 985?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So go ahead and put your kickstand down. Step off the bike. So,
Can I ask why?
I'm detaining you right now. Put your hands on your back.
Oh my gosh. For what?
See that chopper up there?
Yeah?
They've been following you for the last, I don't know how long. You were over 100 miles an hour from Hall County.
I was not.
They saw you. So
Okay.
Maybe I'm there always.
Sir, I mean, I wasn't going that quick. I just recovered from an accident.
splitting.
Yeah, because
Yeah, well, I'll take care of it. Where's your ID at? Alright. Well, Hall County says you were doing over 100.
What? Through traffic?
That's what they report.
I was doing like 15 mile an hour just trying to get up past the traffic. And I have the whole thing on video.
Okay.
So
you
I
have
mean-
you have it on video.
I mean,
I'd love to see it.
Yeah, I mean I can show you on the camera.
Oh, we can just pull it up straight on the
Yeah,
camera?
yeah.
Okay. Is it okay if I touch it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and
It's recording right now.
Can I? Do I have to turn it off in order to? My body
Yeah.
cam's on, so we're good.
Yeah. So if you
Hold this.
yeah.
This biker explained that police mistook him for another biker who had run earlier on the highway. A random driver reported lane splitting, and the helicopter locked onto him by accident. His camera proved that he was not the fleeing rider, which kept him out of the jail. He still got a minor ticket, but the footage saved him from something far worse. Running from the police is illegal and highly dangerous. It puts your life and everyone around you at serious risk, and the consequences become far worse once you are caught. Never do it. A late-night ride nearly became an expensive lesson when this biker was spotted by the police riding above the speed limit.
Hey, thanks for reason for the stops your speed, get your driver's license. It's gonna be a warning.
Just letting you know, I am a CCW holder. I have one already.
Okay, you're fine.
Okay.
It's gonna be a warning, okay?
I'm sorry. It's just it was late night.
Yeah, you're okay. Have insurance?
Yes, sir. I have it on my phone.
Do you know what the license plate is?
Not exactly sure. My plate comes in 2 days.
Alright, so my printer's not working, so I'm not gonna make you wait for
Okay.
it. So it's a warning, no fines, it won't affect your license,
I really
okay?
appreciate it.
You
Thank
be
you,
safe.
sir. Of course, of course.
Wearing earplugs can make riding more comfortable, but in moments like this, it can irritate an officer who expects an immediate response.
Howdy.
All right, what are you guys up to tonight?
I'm dropping her off and I'm heading home.
Cool. All right, you guys drive safe, okay?
Thank you. Do you want a shark?
Do I want a shark?
Yeah.
What do you mean? Hell yeah. This thing rules.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, dude.
No problem.
Happy Thanksgiving, guys. Take
Happy
care.
Thanksgiving. Thank you.
This biker was stopped for speeding, and being his first time pulled over on a bike, he was even more nervous because he had firearm with him.
Hey, do me a favor, just keep your right hand. What's up, brother?
I do have a firearm on my hip.
Yeah, I see it. Okay. Oh, I told you just keep your right hand up.
Okay, yeah.
You got your driver's license?
I do, yes, sir.
Insurance?
Here, let me just put this back. Sure.
You're good, bro. You don't need to sit there, keys, man. Ain't that
First
serious.
time pull over.
Ain't that serious, bro. So, do you know the speed limit on this road?
I don't know it, but I know I was speeding, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What was the fastest you saw?
Maybe 55?
Okay.
Yeah.
Speed limit's 35.
35.
Okay.
I thought it was maybe 40, yeah. No
Yeah.
excuse, I'm saying.
No, you're good, man.
There's insurance. And I just bought the bike recently, so this is what they gave me for the registration, I guess, the tag
Yeah, you're good, man. You nervous?
Yeah, it's my first time ever being pulled over, like ever.
Alright, brother, so check it out, right?
Yeah.
Two things.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one, speeding.
Yeah.
Right? Number two,
Okay.
your license plate is improperly mounted, so all hell, bro.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
This is how I bought
No,
it.
I can't see your tag. It's basically under your wheel, right?
Okay.
Your plate has to be mounted directly backwards where it can be read from 50 feet away.
50 feet? Okay.
Yeah. I cannot read your tag at all.
Is
right?
it just because of the placement or the way it's crooked too?
It's a lot, right? So
The
one, it's
crookedness
angled.
is, I'd lost that screw, so it's
Yeah.
angled.
Well, one, it's angled, and then two, it's so down, like so far down that you can't see it because of the tire.
Yeah.
Right? Come up my attention, right? You stop for me.
Yeah, of course.
I'm not gonna cite you.
Appreciate
right?
it, man.
You're gonna get a warning. I get it. I have a bike on myself, bro. I'm not that guy.
I really appreciate it.
Just do me a favor, right?
Yeah.
While I'm standing here, I am going to take your firearm.
Yes, absolutely.
Right? Just do me a favor, just put your
safety.
hands on the bike.
Yeah.
You don't have to.
It's not locked or anything, just slip it out.
Yeah, is it loaded?
Yes, it is, yeah. One in the chamber. Yeah, chambered, yeah.
Okay. Alright, just sit tight, brother.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Nothing crazy, okay? This is gonna feel really weird when I tell you to do this, okay? I'm gonna hand you back your weapon.
Okay, yeah.
Okay? Here's your round.
Yep.
Go ahead and chamber it, throw your mag back in and reholster it. Alright? Are you gonna
Yes, sir.
shoot me with it?
No,
Cool.
absolutely.
Do it that direction. There you go. Appreciate you, brother.
Can I take your hand?
Yeah.
Appreciate it, sir. Have a good night.
While passing a police officer on the highway, these two bikers were immediately flagged for having tucked in license plates. This clip also shows how being respectful and honest can go a long way during a stop.
Pull over here. You're good, you're good. At least we pulled over. You're good.
I went through a reach stop, speed, split lanes, and no license plate. It's tucked up under.
Oh.
License insurance for both of y'all. Is there a reason why you're riding the way you're riding?
I have no idea. No excuse, sir.
Man, y'all going too fast. We're in our traffic. That's dangerous. Y'all are gonna get hit. That's theft of service. I was watching the whole thing, dude. I was watching y'all coming. We got four units up there, and we have 3 coming up.
Yeah, we saw 2 past there. I got my ID. My insurance is on my phone.
Okay.
You want me to pull it up?
Sure, go ahead.
Oh, by the way, I am a CCW holder. I have one right here.
Okay, good deal.
You want to take it or you're?
No, you're good. Just keep your hands above your waist. That's it.
100%.
Where y'all going? Where y'all going? Richardson? Oh, is that where y'all got that plate?
It was my bad. I was taking photos and videos of it,
Okay.
and then I had to tuck it in so it wasn't on YouTube or anything.
Right. Well, I got
But
you.
yeah, I take full offense. I'm sorry about that.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a warning for the speed and a warning for having that plate tucked up.
Okay, I appreciate that. Good, bro. God is good. God is good. God is so good.
Thank you.
Your copy, your driver's license, your copy. There's warnings, there's nothing you got to do. Just slow it down and be careful, okay?
Okay, appreciate it. Thank you.
Be safe, okay?
Of course, God bless you.
Why am I getting pulled over right now?
Pulled you over because you're speeding right now. I just paced you doing 65. Out on Cactus, I paced you doing 72. Is there a reason why you're speeding?
No,
Do you have your driver's license on you? And do you have the registration for this thing?
I don't have it on me right now.
What year is it?
It is a 2021.
Give me just a second. Go ahead and have a seat on the bike. I'm probably going to give you a warning today just because it's near the holidays, but I need you to slow down. So like I said, it's just going to be a written warning. You're going to sign right here.
You guys do written warnings? It's no longer like a verbal
You can
warning?
do the verbal warning. This one doesn't go on your driving record either. It keeps track of it.
I see.
So in other words, if I pull you over again later on, I'm going to like, oh yeah, I remember you. I gave you a warning before. But it's the holidays, so I'm trying to give everybody a little bit of a break.
Well, happy holidays to you too.
You too.
Have a good one.
Thanksgiving.
Take care. Well, off I go. I had to pull over to the side and think for a second. I really don't believe that I was speeding. He said I was speeding like 3 minutes away from where he actually pulled me over. Wondering like, how come he didn't just pull me over on that street? He waited until I turned to another street and then he caught up to me. I don't know. Let me just take a deep breath. It's gonna be okay.
After all those warnings and tickets, it's time for some adrenaline. And of course, the best place for that is Brazil.
Foi pra onde? Vai pra onde? Vai lá, vai lá. Tirando pra minha cara. Olha pra minha cara. Tá tirando? Tá armado, filho? Pra que essa emoção? Pra que essa emoção? O garupa tá armado, não tá? Então fica deitado no chão aí. Você como? Não divide na mão, tá sério? Vou clicar essa aí. Qual que é o grau da moto, filho? Já berra logo. E pra que essa emoção aí? Igual eu falei, eu fiquei com medo, senhor. É quando tem habilitação, entendeu, senhor?
Let's ride around. Yeah. Jeez. You're gonna get the cops going on you.
For camera.
Oh, thanks.
It's like, because I saw you a couple minutes before, but you do know that you're not allowed to drive those in town other than direct route from the house to gas station, like out of town and back, right?
I did not know that.
If I see again, it's unless I see it
Right.
going back and forth. However, then you know I'm not gonna have another conversation tonight about it. So.
Yeah. Dude, that dude was legit. No lie.
And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave the like and follow us on other platforms. Links are in the description. If you want to support us, visit Lunatic store and get yourself something nice. See you in the next one. Ride safe.